Hello, my name's Lawrence Anthony Turton. I am your instructor for this entire course. I've worked with JavaScript for many years. I love JavaScript. I think it's a fantastic language and it's growing and growing and growing. So it shows that this language really does have clout. Now, what we're going to learn is some essential features of JavaScript. Now, just because I say essentials, don't just think basic, because you are going to learn some advanced topics as well. So you're going to be learning a general set of syntax that will allow you to build a mini program. And you'll also know about things like prototype, scoping, and the window object, and how JavaScript works with objects and works with the DOM, the HTML that you have. And we'll be covering all of this stuff in detail. Don't worry about that. And I will be keeping it very simple. You're also going to be learning about general programming. So for example, what is an object? How do we define an object? And lots more. So data is very important, objects are very important, and being able to manipulate objects and data is absolutely crucial. You are going to learn lots of advanced things. This course is a real hands-on approach to JavaScript. So I'm not really a fan of source code. What I want you to do is open up your console window, and I'll show you how to do that later on, and start actually typing in commands with me and start doing things in the browser straight away and experimenting and playing and having fun with this. And make mistakes, make errors, and re-review your code so that you can sort of understand this. It really does help in learning programming. So I'm not a big fan of source files, just to let you know. There are a few source files in there for you, but overall this course is going to be focused on you physically getting hands-on with this programming language and really understanding this programming language and having a good depth and perception of everything that you need to know about JavaScript.